All my subscribers, this is Kapil Subba once again, and in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can replace your side stand at home without paying any kind of money to any kind of garage. Okay, just simple. Let's go for a walk. Always buy a genuine product from a genuine store. You can see this Yamaha side stand. This okay into here properly. After that you have to put your stand and screw after that, and finally you have to put any spring which is in back side of stand. Okay, you can just simply do in this way. And now you can see it's working properly.